Alright, good afternoon, everybody. Vice Forecaster JD Rabb with you back in the Weather Center. We got a couple severe thunderstorm warnings, and we kind of the Storm Prediction Center is monitoring the watch for parts of Arkansas and the Blue Dew area. We'll have to watch that real closely. And this line of thunderstorms continuing to pop in. So these storms could produce large hail and even some gusty winds possible too. So we'll take a look at this line here. This is the cause. Is why we're on is because I got one report over here by Lawville area of large trees blown down and blocking traffic across Arkansas Highway 29. So that's when we get into potentially of wind damage are coming in. So definitely we're going to have to watch these storms as they move in. Severe thunderstorm wind goes in effect around 3:30 Central Daylight Time for Arlington County. At 3 o'clock, a severe thunderstorm located along a line extending from Fulton Springs to State Park near Livingston, Minnesota on 35. Hazardous 60 miles of wind gusts and hail the size of quarters. So definitely there's some potentially some wind damage with this, and we'll switch back to our tool we do use, and yeah, goodness. Starting to get up to 2-inch hail, folks. That is over egg size. So that's 2-inch hail. That's enough to start breaking some windows. So you probably want to be indoors, away from windows, because this is some dangerous thunderstorms. They're producing some very large hail right now, and that's why we're on here. And there's also a severe thunderstorm warning out here in parts of Branson, Missouri. Here, this one is still capable of producing up to 60 miles of wind and half-dollar-size hail. But we do been watching these storms producing 1-inch hail. So you in Branson, I will make sure if you're being indoors and let these storms pass. Storm Prediction Center I've been watching has been going to be marinating for a watch that covers parts of western Kentucky later, where we can see this little Boeing pushing in that area, and that's an up into southeast Missouri with these stronger storms. So where we can see some hail, and I'm kind of and we talked about this yesterday. A little circulation here. I mean, let me pull up here. Potentially large hail with this, up to 2 inches. This is enough to start shattering windows. So definitely, I would make yourself safe from these storms. So we've been having a lot of thunderstorms continuing, mainly quarter size to sometimes larger than that. But this one storm is the cause because I had reports of large trees have been down, and that's what's going to be causing these storms to cause a lot of problems. Is we could have trees going down. So we will continue to keep you updated, and like I said, we'll be breaking in through the even. I mean, I promise this is going to be a long even. We could have a break in between storms. Then we got the bigger event coming in, and that one looks a little more potent than what we're dealing with now. So beware. Make sure your devices are plugged in tonight, and we'll be with you and keeping you updated as the event gets closer.